Pipe 2000 can plot pump curves and system head flow curves. We'll illustrate that with this system. Here's one pump. It's got some head flow data, and under facility management there's pump curves. I can go in and select the IDs of any of the pumps that are described in the data and graph them up, and this is what the pump head flow data looks like, and it shows the specific data points. Now I can also develop a system curve for any point in the system, and if we wanted to do that for the location of the pump, we would simply change that to a junction and then put in the data on the range of flow that we want. But on this one, suppose I select this existing junction, which is junction 20, and I'm going to look at the system curve from 0 to 500 gallons. Now to do that, under system data and other, there's data to put in. Which junction do we want? And this was junction 20. And the flow rate, the maximum flow rate is 500. So this will now develop a system curve going up to 500. And under Analyze now, I select System Head Curve, which I've got here, and I select it, and then I analyze it. And when it's done, if I look at the report, at the very end of the report will be a table of the results of this calculation. The flows going from 0 to 500, the hydraulic grade lines, heads, and pressures. But we can also plot this data under facility management, under pump curves. I can select the system curve and plot it. Now I can also plot it with the pump curves, any of the pump curves that are in there. And we get the typical system curve and pump curve and the intersection. So this feature will be very useful for developing and displaying system curves for your piping systems.